everyone, welcome back to the Online Pastry School's YouTube channel. Today's question is, what is cocoa butter? So what cocoa butter isn't is anything to do with normal butter. So this can be really confusing when you're dealing with allergies and checking ingredients lists. There's no dairy in cocoa butter, so no cows were milked in the making of this butter. So what it actually is basically the fat from the cocoa beans. So when the beans are roasted, they grind the beans into a paste, which is made up of solids, and then 50%-ish of cocoa butter. Then it's kind of pressed to separate the cocoa butter from the solids, which go on to make chocolate. So when you make chocolate, there's always some cocoa butter added back into it, but how much depends on the kind of brand and the type of chocolate you're making. But mostly use cocoa butter to thin out chocolate that you've melted down and you're using to make garnishes and all that kind of stuff. And it kind of lowers its setting point, so it just gives you a lot more time to work with it and use it for garnishes. For that, I wouldn't ever add more than 10% cocoa butter, or you'll find that your chocolate is really runny and hard to work with. So I hope that answers your question of where cocoa butter sort of comes from and what it is, and also what it isn't. And as always, check out the link below to see our pastry and baking courses where we're going to be working a lot with chocolate, also with cocoa butters and colourings, so you'll be able to see that. So head over to the pastry school now, and then if you want to see more videos like this or ask us some questions, then make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.